Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to film a soft holiday look. It is glamorous, but it's not there's not a lot of glitter involved. It's not very technical. It's just an effortless way to look put together for the holidays. And I'm really into it. I also really like this top. I got it from a store in Jonesboro called The Refinery. They do have an online website, and if I can find it, I'll link it below. But I just love the details on the shoulders. It's so cute, and it's got little polka dot texture. Anyway, so without further ado, sorry, let me fix my hair. Without further ado, I guess we'll just go ahead and get started. But before we do, be sure that you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, let me know what you're doing for the holidays, and what's on your Christmas wish list, because I need to know what other people are asking for. I know that I've already gotten my Christmas probably by the point that you're seeing this, but I need to know what else I need. If y'all know me, that's just how I am. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and get started.
Alright, first I'm going to go in with a hydrating primer and just put that all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with a more pore filling primer and put that on my T-zone in the areas that I worry about pores. Then I'm going to go in with this liquid highlight from Charlotte Tilbury and just put that on the high points of my face. Just wanted to try it out. It's new, you know. Gotta try the new stuff. And I'm going to blend that out with my fingers. And it really does just give a pretty luminosity. I think it would be pretty on no makeup days, you know? And then I'm going to go in with 3 different foundations because, you know, I'm extra, and mix those in on my palette and then apply that with my damp sponge. This is the e.l.f. sponge, and I'm really enjoying it. But I'm just going to pounce that in all over my face. Use your favorite foundation, you know how it is. And I'm going to put that over my eyelids as well. And then I'm going to go in with concealers. These are my 2 favorite at the moment. And I'm just going to apply that under my eye pretty generously. And then I will go in and blend it out and use the leftover product or residual extra product and highlight the rest of my face, like my nose and my chin and then my forehead as well. After I've done that, oh, also my eyelids. But after I've done that, I'm going to go in with a setting powder. This is the Fenty powder. I'm just going to set those areas where I put concealer. And then after I set those areas that I had concealer, I'm going to go in with a pressed powder. This is the Hourglass powder, and just set the rest of my face and dust off any extra loose powder. Then I'm going to go in with bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to generously put that all over my face with a fluffy bronzer brush. This one is actually from Bare Minerals. And then I'm going to use a smaller brush to more contour areas, get a little bit more pigment where I want a little bit more definition around the perimeter of my face. And then I'll just go back in and blend that out with the fluffy brush one more time, just to make sure everything's soft and diffused. Then for blush, I'm going to go in with Tarte Exposed, just a pretty natural blush. And then I'm going to set my face and fan it. And then for eyeshadow, I'm actually starting off with my inner corner highlight, and I'm just using a highlighter for this. But I'm really going to pack that in on my inner corner and then also put it on my brow bone just to highlight these areas before I go in with eyeshadow. I like this Soulmate highlight because it's so blinding. And then I'm going to go in with this Marc Jacobs one because it's a little bit more stark white, just to pop. And then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Dose of Colors palette, and I'm just going to use a soft brown and place that lightly on my outer corner and in my transition area, and then buff it on the lower lash line, just so everything meets and is diffused perfectly. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit darker brown and pack that on my outer corner and slightly bring that into my crease to meet those transition shades, and also go in on the lower lash line just so everything blends. And then I'm going to use a dark brown actually as my eyeliner, and I'm going to put that on with an angled brush and then kind of buff it out with the same dark brown and then diffuse that as well. And then the shimmer in this palette is stunning. It's just a pop. I'm going to put that on all over my lid. It looks like a glitter. It's just so pretty. And then for highlight, I'm using a champagne pop from Becca, and then the Mary Luminizer just to give me a little bit more glow. And then I'm going to go in with a soft neutral lip. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's my current fave.
Alright guys, and that is the finished look. It's super soft holiday glam. It's probably what I'll end up wearing. It's what I wear most days. All the time. It looks put together and polished, but like a little bit glitzy and glamorous, but not too much, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment letting me know what you want to see next, or some products that I need to check out. But before you leave, check out these videos that are over here to the side. We've got different things. I'm sure you'll find something, of course, right? And I guess I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.